Welcome to the Spring Energy Storage Calculator, which determines the potential energy stored in compressed or extended springs. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have spring rate K, where you enter the spring constant. Next is deflection X, where you enter how far the spring moves from its rest position. Finally, there's force F, where you enter the applied force. For this demonstration, I'll use simple values to show how the calculator works. I'll enter 10 for spring rate K, 10 for deflection X, and 10 for force F. After clicking Calculate Spring Energy, here are our results. The potential energy shows 500 joules, which represents the total energy stored in the spring. Work done also shows 500 joules, confirming the energy transferred to compress or extend the spring. The calculator displays our deflection as 10 meters, which converts to 393,708 inches. Notice the force output shows 100 newtons, or 22.48 pounds force. This calculated force is higher than our input because the calculator determines the actual force based on the spring rate and deflection relationship. This tool helps engineers quickly validate spring designs and energy storage requirements. Find the link in the description below.